Hi, and welcome to the Lety Guide series. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about domains. Every account starts with a default domain to help you get started, but you also have the option to use your own custom domain if you prefer. There are many providers offering domains at different price points. If you're considering switching to a custom domain, your first step is to decide on the perfect name for your site. As an example, we'll use the Cloudflare domain developerlety.com. Today, we'll set up a subdomain called help. So our goal is to end up with help@developerlety.com. To make this happen, let's go through the process of creating a subdomain in Cloudflare and then connect it to your domain panel in Lety. In Cloudflare, start by clicking Add Record. Choose CNAME as the type and enter help as the name of the subdomain you want to create. After you've added the record, you'll see the settings you'll need. The type should be CNAME, the name is help, and the value needs to be CNAME developer-lety.com. Next, copy the CNAME value you just created. Go back to your domain panel, add a new record, and again select CNAME as the type. For the name, use help, just like before. Paste the value exactly as shown into the destination field. This tells the system where to point the new subdomain. Remember, TTL determines how quickly these changes spread across the internet. Once you've filled in all the details, save the new record. Now you have a CNAME record named help, which matches the subdomain you set earlier. This means any request to help.developerlety.com will be directed to the correct place, just like we set up. Be sure the name you enter is help so it lines up with your intended subdomain. Double-check, select help, and click Save. Now let's check your DNS settings. Once you confirm, the changes will start to propagate. That means the updates will slowly take effect everywhere online. You'll need to wait a bit for the changes to be recognized everywhere. This process can take up to 48 hours, which is completely normal. Once it's done, your domain will be ready. When everything is verified, you'll get a confirmation email letting you know your domain is active. At that point, return to your login page, and you're all set. That's the whole process. Your domain is now live and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.